Dolphin Sleek works with Apple Find My. Meet Dolphin Sleek, the ultra-slim Bluetooth tracker designed to help you find what matters most with Apple's Find My technology. In the box, you'll find your Dolphin Sleek tracker and a quick start guide. Everything you need to begin. Powering on and pairing with Find My. To activate, press and hold the button on your Dolphin Sleek until you hear a gentle beep and see the LED blink. Your tracker is now ready to pair. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, tap Add Item, Other Supported Item, and your iPhone will begin pairing instantly. Name your Dolphin Sleek Loca card, choose an emoji, tap Continue, and your tracker is securely linked to your Apple ID. Core app features in Apple Find My. Locate on map. See your Sleek's live or last seen location directly on the map. Play sound. Tap Play Sound to ring your Sleek and find your nearby items instantly. Find My Network. If your item is far away, Apple's Find My Network helps locate it using millions of Apple devices, privately and securely. Lost Mode. Activate Lost Mode for automatic notifications when your item is detected. Separation Alert. Get alerts on your phone when your Dolphin Sleek tracker is separated from you. Battery charging. Dolphin Sleek supports wireless charging for effortless power-up. One full charge lasts up to 6 months. No battery replacements required. The LED indicator shows charging status at a glance. Slim, secure, and built for Apple Find My, Dolphin Sleek keeps your valuables always within reach. Dolphin Sleek, find things like magic.